Hi everyone, my name is K. Sachinar Naidu, working as Assistant Professor in Geology. Today we will discuss about the structures of igneous rocks. Okay, what is meant by structure? Structures are the large scale features which we can observe in the field, such as vesicular structure, amygdaloidal structure. These are the large scale features. Directly we can see with the naked eye, we can say this is the structure that type of rock contains. On the other hand, textures are the small scale features. These you have to identify with the aid of the microscope. So, you can determine the mutual relation between the grains in the texture. Okay. Okay, some important structures of the igneous rocks we will discuss today. Those are vesicular structure, amygdaloidal structure, block lava, ropey lava, pillow structure and columnar structures. Okay, vesicular structure. What is meant by vesicular structure? When the lava erupts to the surface, some gases it contains, so when it comes to the out of the surface, these gases will escape into the atmosphere. Then vesicles will be formed in the rock. If the any rock contains such type of vesicles, we can call it as a vesicular structure. Why vesicles will be formed? Because of the pressure and temperature difference, the vesicles will be formed. Okay. In this diagram, you can observe the some vesicles in the rock. Such type of structure we can call it as a vesicular structure. Then amygdaloidal structure. Once vesicles or vesicular structure will be formed, then the secondary minerals will be occupy those pore spaces or vesicles, such minerals like calcite and geolite occupy those pore spaces, those vesicle places we can call it as a. So, such type of structures we can call it as a amygdales. If the any rock contain the amygdales, we can call it as a amygdaloidal structure. These both structures, if you see in the diagram, these are the amygdales, we can find out. These vesicles occupy the secondary minerals such as the calcite and the geolite. Both the vesicular and amygdaloidal structures, you can find out the basaltic rocks. If the any rock you observed vesicular and amygdaloidal structure, you directly say it is the basaltic rock. Then next structure is block lava. Since the lavas contain the acidic composition, due to their high viscosity, they tend to form like a blocks. So, we can call it as a block lava. When we can call it as a acidic composition? When the lava contains the silica, sodium, potassium rich, poor in calcium, magnesium, iron, then we can call it as a acidic composition. Any lava contains such type of acidic composition, they cannot move very quickly, so they form like a blocks. So, generally block lava contains the very rough surface. In this diagram you can observe the block lava, they forms like a blocks. So, we can call it as a block lava. Hawaiian native speakers, they give the another name A lava. So, block lava, another name for the block lava is A lava. Then we will move into the next structure, ropey lava. It is the entirely opposite of the block lava because it contains the basic composition. Basic composition means calcium, magnesium, iron will be rich and poor in silica, sodium, potassium. So, due to the basic composition, it is the very low viscosity. If the any lava low viscosity, it move very quickly and it forms like very smooth surfaces and it forms like a ropes. In this diagram you can observe the rope like structures. So we can call it as a ropey lava. Due to the basic nature and low viscosity, it moves very quickly and forms like a ropes. So we can call it as a ropey lava. Hawaiian native speakers given the another name for ropey lava is pohaho. Pohaho. Okay. Then we will move into the next structure is pillow structure. When the lava erupts in the water bodies, pillows like structure will be formed. Magma not only erupts in the continents but also in the water bodies such as the oceans, seas, lakes, ice sheets like that. If the lava erupts in such type of water bodies, then there will be formed as the pillows shape like structures. So these are the piled one upon another, they look like a pillows. So the entire structure we can call it as a pillow structure. Then we will go for the columnar structure. Columnar structures will be formed when the lava uniformly cooling and contraction in the homogeneous magma. If the magma in the homogeneous nature, it cools uniformly and contracted, then column like shapes will be formed. These type of structures we can call it as a columnar structures. Columnar structures mostly we can observe in the Nagpur region and also in Andhra Pradesh nearby the Rajahmundry, Gauripatnam quarry, we can observe the beautiful columnar structures over there. Such type of all the columnar structures you can observe in the basaltic rocks. Let's recap all the structures. Vesicular structure. What is meant by vesicular structure? If the gases escape from the rock, then vesicles will be formed. Such type of structures we can call it as a vesicular structure. When once vesicles will be formed in the rock, afterwards secondary minerals filled with these vesicles like calcite and zeolite, then such type of structures we can call it as a amygdaloidal structure. Then go for the block lava. If the lava contains the acidic nature, it cannot move much further and forms like a blocks, so we can call it as a block lava. Next, ropey lava. It is the entire opposite to the block lava. It is the basic composition and it flows very mobile nature and magma will be formed like a ropes, so we can call it as a ropey lava. Then pillow structure. When the magma erupts in the water bodies, pillows like shapes will be formed. Such type of structures we can call it as a pillow structure. Then columnar structures. When the magma or lava cools, uniformly cooling and contraction in the homogeneous magma, then column like shapes will be formed. Such type of structure we can call it as a columnar structures. Thanks for watching. I will come with another lecture soon. Until then, bye bye.